If you want to know why your washing machine will fail in exactly 5 years, do not ask the salesman at Best Buy. Ask a repair technician who disassembles broken machines every single day. Ask the professionals who see the same failures repeating across hundreds of machines. These technicians understand something manufacturers desperately hide. Modern washing machines are engineered to fail, not accidentally, deliberately. Today, I am revealing the factory secret that explains why 90% of new washing machines are garbage designed to break on schedule. The planned failure timeline. Here is what repair technicians see repeatedly. A customer purchases a new LG or Samsung front-load washer for $1,200. The machine works perfectly for 5 years. Then the drum bearing fails. The repair costs $600. That is half the original price. The customer faces a choice: repair the 5-year-old machine or buy a new one. Most buy new. The manufacturer profits from the cycle. This is not coincidence. The 5-year timeline is deliberate. Manufacturer research discovered that 5 years is the psychological breaking point. Customers will tolerate minor failures, but at 5 years, they choose replacement over repair. The manufacturer timed the major component failure to coincide with this psychological threshold. The bearing failure is not a design flaw. It is a design feature. The aluminum bracket conspiracy, the primary engineering crime, involves the drum suspension system in professional commercial washers. The bracket supporting the spinning drum is forged steel or cast iron. These materials withstand decades of abuse, but in residential LG and Samsung machines, the bracket is cheap aluminum. Aluminum costs less. Aluminum processes faster. Here is the chemical process. The aluminum bracket sits immersed in soapy water containing concentrated synthetic detergent. Over 3 to 5 years, electrochemical corrosion eats the aluminum from inside. The metal becomes porous and weak. Eventually, during a heavy wash cycle, the corroded bracket fails. The drum drops. The machine is destroyed from the inside. The repair requires complete drum replacement. That costs $600 to $800. More than half the machine's original price. Most customers replace the machine instead. This is the factory secret. Manufacturers know this failure will happen. They engineered it into the product. They timed it for exactly when customers are psychologically prepared to purchase replacement machines. The aluminum bracket is not cost-cutting. It is profit engineering. The plastic motor failure. A secondary engineering crime involves the drive motor. Modern washers use plastic-bodied motors designed to fail. The plastic housing contains the electromagnetic windings. Washing machines create vibration and moisture. The plastic case cracks. The windings short. The motor fails. Replacement costs $300 to $400. Older washing machines use metal-bodied motors. These motors function for 30 years without failure, but metal costs more. Metal manufacturing requires precision. Manufacturers eliminated these steps. They switched to plastic motors that fail predictably around year 4 or 5. The control board trap. Modern washers contain computerized control boards, managing water temperature, cycle timing, and spin speed. These boards cost $250 to replace. They fail due to moisture exposure. The machine creates steam. The steam corrodes the circuit board. The board displays error codes and stops functioning. The machine becomes a useless brick. Older machines used mechanical timers and simple switches. These components functioned for decades. They required no replacement. Manufacturers eliminated them. They added computers that fail on schedule. The computer failure is not a design flaw. It is a design feature creating replacement demand. The seal degradation schedule. Washing machine door seals degrade predictably after 3 to 4 years. The rubber absorbs water. It expands and contracts. Cracks develop. Water leaks inside the machine. Mold grows. The seal replacement costs $150 to $200. But the timing is deliberate. Manufacturers engineer seals that degrade at specific intervals. They could manufacture seals lasting 10 years. They choose not to. They choose seals lasting exactly 4 years because they know most customers will replace the machine rather than repair it. Why manufacturers do this? The mathematics are simple. A washing machine manufacturer makes $200 profit per machine sold. If a machine lasts 30 years, the manufacturer makes $200 from one customer once. If the machine fails every 5 years, the manufacturer makes $200 5 times from the same customer. The profit difference is enormous. Manufacturers chose planned obsolescence because it increases lifetime profit per customer by 400%. This is not accidental. This is calculated corporate strategy. Executives know they are engineering failure. The engineering team designs components with specific failure. The manufacturing process ensures the failure occurs precisely when targeted. It is premeditated product sabotage for profit. Repair technicians know this. They do not purchase new machines. They buy vintage Whirlpool washers from 20 years ago or commercial-grade Speed Queen machines. These machines use steel components, mechanical systems, and simple electronics. They fail rarely. They last indefinitely. The repair technician is not nostalgic. He is mathematically rational. The old machine saves him money over time. He avoids the 5-year failure trap. If you need a washing machine, buy the cheapest basic model available. Reject machines with advanced features and digital controls. Buy a top-load washer with mechanical dials and simple components. Reject front-load machines with aluminum brackets and plastic motors. The basic machine lacks convenience features. It also lacks engineered failure points. It will function for 20 years instead of 5. If you made it this far, subscribe. I expose engineered failures in your appliances every week.